Hello and welcome to our video on portals. Form portals allow users to bundle forms together and easily distribute them to a list of end users by email. Let's say your human resources department needs to send several forms to a new employee, monitor progress completion, and send reminders to those who have not completed the form. This would all be possible using form portals. In this video, we're going to touch on setting up your portal, adding forms, users, and creating reminders. To get started, we would log in and click on the Portals tab located at the top. If you don't see this option on your account, we'd recommend speaking with your FORMSTACK account manager to discuss adding this feature. Next, we're going to click on Add New Portal, located on the left-hand side. We will need to give our portal a name. In this case, we could use our new hire example and then click on Create Portal. From this page, we can add a custom logo or image to be displayed at the top of the portal description to give our new hires more guidance. Once we've set all this up, we can click on Save Settings. Now that we've set up the name of our portal, we can add which forms would be visible to the participants or new hires by clicking Add Your First Form. Once you've selected the form you'd like from the drop-down, you can click on Add Form to move on to the next step. From here, you can change the name of the form or add a description. You can also set a deadline for how often you'd like the participants to complete this form. That can be daily, weekly, monthly, or by a certain date. Another option worth mentioning is the ability to set a reminder for an email to be sent out before the deadline approaches. Once you're finished with setting up your form, you can click on the Save Settings button on the bottom right. If you have existing participants in your form, you'll have the option to notify these participants of any setting changes, such as new deadlines. Once finished, we can click on the Go Back button on the top left. You can add your participants by clicking the Add Participants button. You can either bulk upload a list of participants with a CSV file or type them out with each address being separated by commas. Once you click on the Add Participants button, an email will be sent out to the new participants, inviting them to the portal. It's worth noting that you can invite external users who are not on your FORMSTACK account, but each account will have a limit based on their plan. Let's take a look at what participants see when you add them to the portal. When the new participant receives this email, they can click on the link and see the forms that you've added to the portal, as well as any deadlines you may have set for each form. I'm going to fast forward a bit to a time where I've added a few participants and they've either completed or not completed the form. As you can see, we have the option to track the performance of each form on our portal to see if everything is being completed by the deadlines we've set, and we can send out a manual reminder if necessary. Additional questions about setting up your portal, you can always click on the eye icon on the top right corner to either search for an article or get directly in touch with our support team. Thank you for watching.